Is yours the rocks to rubble syndrome? Are you looking for an answer to your oversized pit run gravels? Is rock discarded after construction unsightly or even a safety hazard to other road users and emergency services? Perhaps you're having trouble with buried rocks when patrol grading, or maybe that worn out pavement could do with a tidy up. Well, Broons have the machine for you. The unique, tried and proven BH1220 Rockbuster. With over 30 years experience in specialist crushing and compaction equipment, the team from Broons have designed and built a highly portable, engine-driven hammer mill crusher that can withstand the torturous rigours experienced in crushing some of the hardest rocks on Earth. Drawing on worldwide experience from the Arctic wasteland in Norway to the deserts of South Africa, the tropics of New Guinea, to the mountains of New Zealand, the Rockbuster has made its mark at home in Australia and abroad. From the very beginning, strength, safety and serviceability have been designed into the BH1220 Rockbuster and carried all the way through to the finished product. Quality control on critical components is monitored at every step. Driven by a powerful 210 kilowatt Caterpillar 3306 turbocharged and aftercooled diesel engine via a triple plate clutch assembly and 26 groove Poly V belt, the heart of the BH1220 Rockbuster is the hammer shaft. Fitted with 18 cast crushing hammers and weighing nearly 2 tons, the hammer shaft spins at close to 200 kilometers per hour and is capable of producing in excess of 1,000 cubic meters per day in some conditions. Lined with removable wear plates to ensure maximum life, the bolt-in crushing chamber is totally enclosed to prevent the egress of fly rock and is fitted with safety chains and rubber flaps as an added precaution. Entirely safe, other road users, machinery and personnel can operate in close proximity to the Rockbuster without fear of damage or injury from stray rocks. So how does it break rock? Firstly, either on the road or in the pit, rocks are formed using a grader into a manageable windrow, generally around 1 metre wide by half a metre high. For safety and best results, make sure the start and finish of the windrow is clean and full. If conditions are dry, we suggest using a water cart to minimise dust. Moisture added before crushing will remain in the material, enabling better compaction of the finished product. It also reduces additional on-site water expense. It won't be wasted. As a guide, a windrow that fits beneath the towing tractor will comfortably be processed by the Rockbuster. Remember, the Rockbuster can handle material up to 500mm minus. No primary crusher necessary, no jaws to adjust, no grizzly or screen required, simply straight through. The BH1220 Rockbuster's operating system is totally independent of the towing tractor. The ergonomic layout at the rear of the machine contains all the necessary controls, daily fluid and oil level checkpoints, and air cleaner. Grease points are readily identifiable. A duplicate set of instruments in the cabin of the towing tractor allows the operator to continuously monitor the performance of the Rockbuster. Before crushing, the Rockbuster is hydraulically lowered to the desired height above ground. Using a unique open-bottom design, the hammers on the Rockbuster swing just clear of the surface during operation. Height and travel speed dictate the quality of the end product. Side skirts and a rear baffle are also hydraulically lowered to enclose the crushing chamber. To start the hammer shaft spinning, increase the engine revs to 1300 RPM. Then steady, firm engagement of the clutch is required. Damage can result with abuse or negligent operation, so use care and follow the operator and maintenance instruction plates fitted to the rear of the machine. Now, returning to the towing tractor, select bottom gear and move off, passing the windrow directly beneath the centre of the unit. When crushing, travel speed should be around 300 to 500 lineal meters per hour. Ideally, The windrow of crushed rock leaving the rear of the Rockbuster will generally be 250mm high and well graded. Sieve analysis reports indicate a readily achievable end product around 40mm minus, conforming to the B envelope requirement of Australian road authorities. For maximum productivity, have the grader blade the crushed material to one side and pull out another windrow of rock ready to be crushed. At the end of the windrow, slow the engine, leaving the clutch engaged. At the last moment, disengage the clutch and wait. Never raise the side skirts or rear baffle until the hammer shaft has stopped rotating. And there you have it. A quick, simple and effective one-man operation. 2 minutes and you're away. No other crusher can do that. Crushing of the rock occurs in 3 ways. The hammers striking the rock, by thrashing the rock upward inside the chamber, and by rock particles hitting other rocks during crushing. Broons crushing hammers are specially designed, cast and heat treated to suit the BH1220 Rockbuster. Quality, weight and packaging is closely monitored. Standard weight 19kg and heavy-duty 22kg hammers are available for varying materials. Changing hammers is a straightforward process that can be carried out on the job, generally in under 45 minutes. Using the slide hammer puller mounted on the front of the Rockbuster, the 4 hammer rods are individually removed to replace the worn hammers. It's recommended, where 5 worn hammers come off, 4 new hammers should be fitted, and the same in reverse to even out wear on the hardened rods. The striking face of the hammer is always toward the rear. Benefits with the hammer mill action of the Rockbuster include the production of a roughly cubical or angular particle, virtually eliminating the predominance of flat particles produced by alternative crushers. By using the BH1220 Rockbuster, a superior sample could be achieved in limestone, mudstone, ridge gravel, river gravel and basalt, to name a few. The Rockbuster allows you to clean up environmental and safety hazards, lowering costs by utilising boulders and rubbles in previously worked out pits and reclaiming roadside rock, reducing haulage costs. Existing worn pavements can be tined up, windrowed and crushed in situ with the BH1220 Rockbuster. The resulting material, reformed, watered and rolled into an improved road profile without the cost of providing additional gravel. The BH1220 Rockbuster's high level of portability ensures large and small production runs are economical. Broons service what they hire and sell. Replacement crushing hammers are readily available and spare parts can be dispatched by overnight courier if required. Our skilled technicians carry out minor and major repairs both in the field and at our workshop. Our Adelaide remanufacturing facility is a popular choice with owners in lieu of complete replacement of their well-used Rockbuster. We also have a number of units in our nationwide hire fleet. There's no doubting there's a place for the Broons BH1220 Rockbuster in your operation. Quit your old habits now. Make the change and get rockbusting.